mga ka-fitness, I'm Coach LV at samahan niyo ako sa ating 5-minute quick and effective workout. We're going to target our legs. Ganun na rin ang ating glutes or ang ating booty muscles. At na-engage na rin ang ating abdominal muscles para sa ating flat na tummy at flat na puson. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise standing only, so hindi nyo kailangan ng malaking space. Pwedeng-pwede itong gawin at the comfort of your home. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise ng 30 seconds, no rest in between. Let's go. First exercise natin ang ating squats to knee tuck.
3, 2, 1, work.
Squats to knee tuck. Press your weight from your heels when you go up. Core tight para sa inyong balance. Inhale, exhale. Pwedeng nandito ang kamay sa inyong batok. And then, bring your knees in. Crunches, engage ang
3,
core.
2, 1, work.
Next natin, ang ating lunges. Single leg. Unang ibaba ang tuhod sa likuran para siguradong hindi lalagpas ang ating tuhod sa harapan or daliri ng ating mga paa. Press lahat, kunin lahat ng weight from your heels when you go up para mas ma-target natin ang ating glute muscles. Kung nahihirapan kayo sa balance, pwede kayong humawak sa chair or anything
3,
para makatulong sa inyong
1,
balance. Other side, slightly bend forward, kunin lahat ng weight from your heels, and go up. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. Kung meron kayo weight sa bahay, dumbbells, pwede kayong gumamit.
3, 2, 1, work.
Next natin ang ating deadlift. Stand wider. Turn out your feet and hinge. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels when you go up. Again, you can use a dumbbell or a pair of dumbbells in this exercise para maging mas challenging. Core tight, just hinge. Slightly bend your knees.
3, 2, 1, work.
Next natin, knee to elbow. Reverse lunges to knee to elbow. We're working on our legs, our abs para sa ating flat na tummy, at ganun na rin sa ating glutes. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels. When you go up, you can do it.
3, 2, 1, work.
Other leg. Unang ibaba ang knee sa likuran para siguradong ito hindi lalagpas sa daliri ng ating mga paa. Core tight. Inhale, exhale.
Three, 2, 1, work.
Next natin ang ating side lunges. Kunin pa rin lahat ng weight from your heels. When you go up, feel the stretch on your inner thighs. You can do it. Few more exercises.
3, 2, 1,
Back to squats plus side leg lift. Let's work on our legs, our glutes, sa ating hips, sa ating balakang. Inhale, exhale.
Three, 2, 1, work.
Next natin ang ating curtsy lunges. Step back. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels. When you go up, slightly bend forward. You can do it. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels. Let's target our booty muscles.
1. Work.
And last natin, ang ating squat jump. 30 seconds, last exercise. You can do it. Go. Last 15 seconds. Kung di nyo kaya, you can do just regular squats. Finish strong.
2. 1. Finish.
Whew! Hindi lang siya basta-basta strength workout, it's also a HIIT workout. Kaya sigurado magbe-burn kayo ng calories at magbe-build kayo ng muscles. Kung nabitin kayo, pwede nyo ulitin ang ating exercises. Depende sa inyong fitness level. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.